What's up guys? Welcome back to Real Word Journey. In today's video, I decided to do more Halloween makeup because it's October, it's spooky season, why not? I almost didn't film this video because yesterday we lost this huge star that was a major part of my life. It will be missed. And I posted a poll on what makeup to do for this video and skeleton won, but you know, as I was sitting there watching like tutorial videos and like feeling my face shape and actually realizing like what parts of my skull would be hollow, just didn't sit right with the passing of Liam. So I'm not doing a skull unless you want me to sit here and cry the whole video. I don't want to cry. I want to be done crying. So instead, we're going to be doing kind of like a spooky pumpkin look. This is my inspo photo. I guess we'll start with getting my hair out of my damn face. I'm going to do it differently than last time so I don't have whack bangs again. And then we'll get started with foundation and such. But first, cheers. I don't know if this is going to make it any better than the headband, but I guess we will see. And that's all the bobby pins I have on my thing, because you know how they disappear. They're literally everywhere in my house, yet I can't keep track of any of them. So, Poreless Putty Primer once again. I never thought I'd be making spooky makeup vids, let alone making any YouTube vids ever again. For a while I was like unsure if that's what I wanted to do, but I love it, and it's always so much fun to create. So I thought, why the hell not? I guess I should give a little backstory because there are probably so many new people here compared to when I was 19 and started a YouTube channel with my best friend. While I talk about that, I'm gonna be doing my foundation, same that I always use. So I have this best friend, and ironic that I'm telling this story after Liam's passing because One Direction's the whole reason. It's like the foundation of me and my best friend's friendship. So it's been a wild ride of emotions for sure. I've known her since 7th grade, but we've been like super best friends since we were both like 19. But when we did go to school together, we were really close too. After my first year of high school, I was transferred to a different high school, and her and I didn't really see each other again until I was 18, 19-ish. We decided to start a YouTube channel, and then we also started our own individual channels because we wanted to post our own kind of stuff on our own channels as well. And we've just kind of been on and off posting ever since 2016. So I did quit YouTube for a while because I have a lot of videos on my other channel. A lot have my kid on them though, and I don't want my kids to necessarily be on the internet. A lot of that channel I just didn't vibe with, so everything's on private. So I'm surprised I'm back doing YouTube for one, but I feel so much better about it this time around. I feel like I'm being genuine, I'm being myself, I'm doing things I want to do, and finding the people I'm supposed to find. I'm just really enjoying it, and I'm really happy to be back into makeup because it's genuinely was one of the funnest things I've done, and I'm excited to see how much further I can take it because I've never really pushed my skills with it very hard. So I guess we'll see. I guess I'll start with like outlining maybe the shape of everything so I know where I'm putting the orange. I'm gonna go in with an eyeliner pencil first. I like it. And then the nose. The nose is always like the scariest part for me. I hate how I'm like straight up copying this, but I don't feel like I'm creative enough to do my own thing. I've never really done a round pumpkin nose though. I feel like this nose she did is more like skeleton. Cool. And then the mouth, I went for spooky, so it's definitely more like spiky and stuff. Guys, I'm super excited for this. Now that we know where that's gonna go, I'm gonna start on the color on the outside and work my way in. When I get back to the mouth, I'm definitely gonna make these more pointy like the picture was. This is so silly. I love it. I love Halloween. I've literally never done this before, like just sat here and done Halloween makeup. I've always wanted to, but just never did it. This is gonna need hella blended. There. That's a little bit better now that I blended it in a little bit. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Guess I should leave this eye alone for the most part because she does have a little smoky eye thing going on. I'm second guessing all of my decisions, but I'm trusting the process because last time I did and it didn't end up that bad, so. I'm starting to look like a beautiful sunset, not a pumpkin. While I was watching tutorials today, I noticed almost everybody, all makeup artists, do it with more like a paint, not an eyeshadow palette. But this is what I got. Shoo, look at that art job. It could be like more bright and vivid, like the yellow at least. You can still kind of see my cheek color, but like I still have lots of details to put in, so I'm not too worried about it. I relined it a little bit. I think it looks more straight and everything now. That one didn't really go as planned. Okay, so it's not horrible, it's getting there. I just need to like fix the lines. It looks ridiculous that this is just still my skin tone. Yeah, that's looking better now that I'm making it more like triangle points. I'll fix the bottom later, but that top one's looking fucking sick. I would love to color all of this in with my eyeliner, but I also don't want to like waste my eyeliner. Alright, I found my lipstick. And I don't have to make it perfect, because everything's gonna be black. Going full on Terrifier. I'm scared that the black will stain my skin. I'm just gonna use this, because it's darker. If it ends up staining my skin, I'll post it at the end of this video, because I'm going to my sister's choir concert tonight, so I can't go like this. It's giving Kiss. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow. I'm gonna set it. It's funny, I'm like fixing this, and it's obviously like a smile, so I'm like dead ass concentrating, and my face is just smiling. There's glitter all over it, which I'm not gonna be doing. Just not a glitter girl. I like that. That brings a lot of it together. I am gonna just go over the same colors, kind of blending those brown lines. Sick. Really like this. I'll fill these in and then do the smoky eye and be done. It would be cool if I had a black contact like her, but I do not, unfortunately. The other eyebrow is black as well, so. Shit, that looks pretty good. Ignore all the little random dots that I fucked up on. That doesn't really matter to me. I'm also gonna do pencil eyeliner. Damn, yeah, I really want to get some paints. Okay, I just add a little bit of black, and I'm also gonna go in and do my eyebrow. Eyelash glue, eyelash, and I think this is basically the end. I'll double check the picture. Guess maybe a little more on the throat. She also went in and did her collarbones, but I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm not gonna do my bottom lashes. I am going to, I guess that finishes the look. Let's take my hair down. Hopefully it's not too cray-cray. Okay, I fucking love it. It's so good. I'm so proud of myself. I had no idea what to expect going into this. I'm gonna go make some reels and stuff and be a little spooky. If you think this makeup look is good enough for a Halloween party or Halloween costume, give this video a thumbs up. To share and comment down any other video ideas you have for me. I have one more spooky vid coming out for this month. It might be another makeup one. I don't know. I'm loving this. I'm loving this a lot. I wish I'd been doing it all month, but please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm almost at 400. You guys are so sick. Peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see you next week. I hope everybody's having a happy spooky season. Bye!